You look amazing always, Lods. Mawawala yung pagiging introvert mo na yan. Mas gusto ko nga yan eh. Pag naging chismosa na din ako in person, it means comfortable na ako sa'yo. Oo, ganun lang. Pa-shoutout, Mommy Emie. Hi, hehehe, wawawawawa. Yung pangalan mo. Eminem, hello, baby Paul. Let me try lang ha. First song, warm up. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave. Mommy Emie. Till I'm in the casket you carry. Too. It was always you. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, but it'll be forever. But it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know how I'm crying. I don't think I could love you more. Mickey Sir John. Mick, ikaw ba yun before na Mick? Parang low level ka pa sa akin before. Till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. My eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you would give the compliments I thought. Shit. Tell me it's a bit. No, say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. Ikaw pala yan. Lakas mo na. Mas maestro. Sir Johnny, thank you so much. Papa po. Long time no see, Mick. Marlon. Don't wanna say goodbye. Alam niyo itong song na to, bagay siya no pag ano, like parang nag-emote ka sa self mo ba? Tapos, AJ Shelby, hello! Yeah. Lalo na nung nag-hiking ako, talagang ito yung pinapatugtog ko habang kaya ko to in life para mga ganun. Para ma-motivate ka talaga ba? Paano ulit, Lods? May bayad na pag inulit. Yeah. As in, share ko lang. I love you hanggang sa mamatay. Uy, wag naman. Pero ang ganda ng lyrics, no? Like parang